In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the installed version of Adobe Illustrator on your PC or desktop. Knowing which version you're using is crucial for compatibility, troubleshooting, and accessing the latest features. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to find this information. First things first, you'll want to start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Double-click on the Illustrator icon, which can be found either on your desktop or within your list of installed programs. If you have your frequently used programs pinned to the taskbar, you might even find it there for quicker access. Once it's open, you should see the familiar interface of Illustrator, where you typically create and edit your designs. Next, look towards the top of the window. You'll see a menu bar with several options, like File, Edit, and Object. What you're looking for is the Help option. Click on it. The Help menu provides various options for assistance and information about Illustrator, and it's a handy tool for any user, especially when you're uncertain about your software's capabilities or version specifics. After clicking on Help, a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you need to find and click on About Illustrator. This option is usually found towards the bottom of the Help menu list, as it's primarily informational rather than interactive or functional. Once you've clicked on About Illustrator, a small window will pop up. This is where you'll find the version information. The window will display your current Illustrator version number prominently. You may see additional details about the software, such as licensing information or other relevant data about updates. Ensuring you have this information at hand can be crucial, especially if you're looking to upgrade your software or report a problem. And that's all there is to it. These few simple steps will allow you to check which version of Adobe Illustrator you have installed. Having this knowledge ensures your creative process remains smooth, and that you can troubleshoot effectively should any issues arise. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Regularly checking for updates can benefit performance and provide you with the latest tools Adobe has to offer. Updates might introduce new features that could enhance your projects or streamline your workflow. So staying current is always a good practice. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more tips and guides on using Adobe Illustrator efficiently. Happy designing!